Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George here. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Carpuride 9.3-inch portable Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system. It's a screen that you can install in your vehicle if you don't already have it, a screen that's wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay compatible. So this video really is for my older Subaru clientele. Anything I believe 2017 was the first year that we got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Not just applicable to Subarus, applicable to any vehicle, regardless of age. So long as you have a 12-volt power point, you can hook up Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly. And I'm going to go through the device with you guys, show you what I like about it, show you how it works. Super easy. And at the end of my video and in the description, there is going to be a link. I'll link the product, and if you follow the link, I do get a little bit of a kickback from the company. Nothing crazy, but I do appreciate any support. So this is the 9.3-inch Carpuride touchscreen Android Auto Apple CarPlay wireless device. So it's pretty large. I have installed it on top of my dash. I have an older Outback. I have a 2012 Outback. If I got ambitious, I could remove this and somehow mount it there. Right now, it doesn't really block my vision. It's right here. Now, one of my favorite things about this is the dash cam is adjustable. So you can tilt it, you can move it up and down. It comes in a lowered position there, so you guys can see it doesn't take up a whole bunch of room in the packaging. You'll also notice that I have the suction mount, and I can adjust it up or down depending where I have it. It does also come with a dash mount, and there is a adhesive piece that you can put on the bottom of this and stick it on there. I went with the suction cup. I just like the adjustability, the maneuverability of it. But this, very, very handy. You can take selfies with it, or in the event that you get pulled over, you can tilt it towards yourself and anyone at the window, and you can record the interaction. But that's like that. So let's take a look at it. I'll turn it on. It boots up pretty quick. Gives you the support email right away, which is a huge bonus. It does always make that chime. I haven't been able to sort it out to make it less loud at the beginning. You can control the volume through the settings, but I haven't been able to dim that chime yet. So right off the bat, we've got CarPlay, we've got Android Auto, we have AirPlay, we have Android Cast, Wi-Fi video, audio output, playback, and settings. And then on the left-hand side here, we have home, we've got settings, well, video really. You can start recording, you can just snap a photo, go right home. And I do have to say, I know this is a video of a video, but it's pretty darn clear. It says 1080p. I believe it's 1080p easily. You can just touch it, take you back to home. You can take a snapshot. Very easy to use. Got brightness set to auto, home screen, sound level, and that's to do with the taps, everything to do with that. You can barely hear it now. I do like that tactile sound, but I understand it's not for everyone. Now, under settings, stops recording. You can go into screensaver. You get to control which side of the road you're on. So left rudder, right rudder. We're a right rudder here. Split screen mode, full screen, split screen. You can choose how you want to have it. I like the full screen myself, the brightness, assistive touch. You can clear all the connections. That's how you would clear any devices that you had hooked up. Camera settings, camera format, record resolution, split time, microphone, rear image, reverse line calibration. Now, it does come with a backup camera as well that you can run. And luckily, it comes with all of the mounting stuff. Now, it does require some clever maneuvering through your vehicle, especially if you don't want to drill holes. But I already had a backup camera, and it's the same connection. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like here in a second after I hook this up. The connection is on the side, easily accessible, just hard to do one-handed. So I've plugged it in, and obviously having a wire dangling out of the headliner across my vision isn't ideal. I'll be able to fix that later. Your mileage is going to vary, depends on how you run the cords. So When I put it in reverse, backup camera automatically comes up. The camera is tiltable. Green is good, yellow is close, red is close as you want to get. And I'm a good distance away from that vehicle right behind me. And I've just put it in park, takes its time, and it stops. So not bad overall, pretty darn quick. You still see what's behind you after you stop it for a second. Rear mirror image, you can turn it off. You can have it not turn on at all if you don't want it. You don't have to use the backup camera, but it is nice to have, especially if you have an older vehicle without a backup camera, you're not sure what your corners are. Language, tip sound, voice controls. It does have some voice controls. It's a learning system. You must enunciate very clearly. You can factory reset everything if you want. But let's hook it up. Now, don't hold it against me, guys. I know there's a lot of Apple people out there. I run an Android. I have a Samsung. And I can't show you the Apple portion, but in my experience, hooking up Android Auto is a little bit more difficult than Apple CarPlay. But let's do Android Auto. So it says right there, turn on Bluetooth on your Android smartphone and select to connect this device. And it gives you the device name. So I am going to turn on my Bluetooth. And, oh, hey, look, there it is right at the bottom under available devices. Pairing. Yes, let's pair that. And it says I'm connected. Says I'm connected. Brings up Apple CarPlay. Has the last music on it that I was playing. Now, this does have its own speaker, dedicated speaker for music. It's not fantastic. I would rather use the audio system out of my car, but it does Bluetooth phone calls. It does play music. It's got all the functionality. It's really easy to use. Facebook Messenger, Spotify, customize. It's really easy to use. Hassle-free. Exit it with ease, and I can go to the dash cam portion if I have to. I can play back everything I need. Sound, home, and it does come with the SD card that you need. You can see my SD card's in there. I'm hooked up to Bluetooth. It's got good signal. Now, all of the commands for Android Auto, super easy to use using Google Assistant. I can't talk about using Siri, but from my experience, using Siri with these sort of devices is fairly trouble-free. Navigate to Subaru of Prince George. And let's go. Yeah, simple as. And tells me exactly how to get there. So this, super easy to use. I like the Android Auto functionality. Apple CarPlay is fantastic. It doesn't take up a whole bunch of real estate. I'm a taller guy, and as you can see, it's not really going to obstruct my view. If you're a little bit more on the vertically challenged side, I can see that it may get in your way, kind of like those new tablet-style infotainment systems that manufacturers insist on just plopping on top of the dash. Kind of the same idea. Being in an older vehicle, that's not really an issue for me. So overall, ease of use, 10 out of 10. I didn't really have to do anything. I was kind of expecting there to be a little bit more to hit other than the 2 connect buttons with my Android Auto, but it's really been trouble-free. I've been using it for the last 2 weeks, and it's been absolutely fantastic. I don't like having my phone out. I know lots of people put their phone in their cup holder, something like that. I don't like to take those chances. And like I said, in the event that you do get pulled over, it's easy enough. Flip this camera around. You can record the interaction, make sure that you're safe. So overall, would I use this? And am I going to continue to use this? 100%. The Carpuride 9.3-inch Android Auto Apple CarPlay screen, it has my vote. The sound could be a little bit better overall, but for what you get, I think that's an absolutely fantastic piece of technology. Price point's excellent. So if you guys follow the link in the description below, you will find the link directly to it. It's my affiliate link. If you guys feel like you want to purchase it, it does kick me back a couple bucks, nothing huge, but if you have any feedback, any questions, please put it in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you guys have about these touchscreen infotainment systems. I think they're fantastic. Like I said, I've been using it for the last 2 weeks and it's given me no hassle. It connects automatically when I get in the car. Really easy to use. Again, so I'm Tyson, the Subaru specialist from Subaru Print Storage. Thanks for watching, guys.